2010 Chevrolet Avalanche Crew Cab 4-wheel drive. This vehicle features the following equipment, not specified: 8-sill, 4WD navigation system, backup camera, anti-theft device, side airbags system, multi-function steering wheel, remote ignition system, airbag deactivation, power folding mirrors, air conditioning, vanity mirrors, power adjustable pedals, side impact door beams, vehicle stability assist, tire pressure monitor, turn signal mirrors, EBD electronic brake assist, child safety locks, traction control system, memory seating, auto express down window, automatic leveling system, rear stereo controls, anti-theft security system, dual airbags, universal garage door opener, active suspension, auto dimming mirrors, cooled seats, power steering, power door locks, power windows.